Good morning, student. Class 10th. Topic pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. From the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find their solution graphically. Question number 1, first part. 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Student, let x tends to number of girls and y is number of boys. Therefore, according to the problem, x plus y equal to 10 is the equation 1. Then, number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. It means x equal to y plus 4. Or we can write x minus y equal to 4. It is equation 2. Now question is find the number of boys and girls who took part in quiz and find their solution graphically. Student, we will make the graph. So there are two equations. We will make two tables. It is from equation 1. We will take two variables x and y. When x equal to 0, then y is 10, and when y is 0, then x is 10. Then from second, when y is 0, then x is 4. And when y is 1, then x is 5. Y equal to 1, then 1 plus 4 is 5. Now, make the graph. There is x-axis, y-axis, origin 0, 0. Now, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We will suppose 1 centimeter equal to 1 boy or 1 girl. X is number of girls. So it is 1 person. Same is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There is a coordinate 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, there is one of the point 10, 0. There is a 0, 10. If we join them, we will get line 1. It is L1. Now, when x is 4, y is 0. Another is 4, 0. Then, x is 5, y is 1. their difference is 4. So there is x is 5, y is 4. Student, another point is 5, 1. So there are 2 points, 5, 1 and 4, 0. Join them. We will join them. Now it is L2. Now they are intersecting at the point its coordinate 7, 3. It means number of girls equal to 7 and number of boys equal to 3. That is the answer. Student, now we will see the behavior of lines representing pair of linear equations in two variables and see the existence of the solution. So topic is pair of linear equations two variables and their behavior. Variables and their behavior. Student, two lines, they may be intersect, not to be intersect. If lines are not intersecting, then either they are parallel or coincident. So we will see all the cases one by one. Student, let there are two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If lines are intersecting, first part, if lines are intersecting then they have unique solution. Have unique solution. Their graph is like that. L1 and L2. Here lines are intersecting and the condition for that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. When these two ratios are not equal, A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then lines are intersecting and they have unique solution. Second case, lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, then they have no solution. Is it? No solution. And figure is like that. Lines are just parallel. There is x-axis, y-axis, origin as usual. Same is here. X-axis, y-axis and origin. That will not change. Now, condition for that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 and equal to C1 upon C2. is not equal to C1 upon C2. In this case, the ratio of A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. In that case, the lines, they are not having any solution and they are not intersecting. In the third case, there are infinite many solutions. If lines are coincident, then condition is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2, and figure is like that. There is a single line L1 and L2 on the same graph paper. Then there is a single line and there is an infinite many solution. Lines are coincident and infinite many solutions. That is the case of infinite many solutions.